So welcome, folks. We're actually here at the Museum of Illusion in New York City. We're located at 77 8th Avenue, right on 14th and 8th. We have about 40 attractions here. A lot of them are interactive. Some of them will just mess with your mind just a bit with illusions, and tons of education to be had, but mostly fantastic family fun. We encourage photo taking and picture taking, and of course social posting, because we want to get the word out there for everybody to be able to have some fun here. So we do host tons of private events here at MOI We've actually had artist installations here from local artists. We also have activations for date nights as well, little parties that we put together. Also, we do mixtures with our corporate entities in the area as well. We have a curriculum and educational program that coincided with the Department of Education here in New York for kids to do fantastic tours. A lot of our illusions are actually based on science. So it's really educational for youngsters. We have tons of interactive illusions that kids can touch and play with. We have a fantastic place called the Smart Shop too that has puzzles and games for them to enjoy. So I want to talk about our summer activations because we're going to be doing interior activations at the museum itself, but you also see us all around New York City. We're teaming up with the Parks Department. I'm actually going to take one of these illusions and attractions and put it out in public to really draw the crowd. You get to interact with it. We're going to look at Washington Square Park. We're looking at 14th Street and Union Square as well. So you'll see that coming. Also, in the month of June, we'll be partnering with the Center for Gay Pride Month. Our actual retail sales from the month of June, we're going to take a portion of those proceeds and actually donate them to the center. I hope you folks come by and see myself and our team. They're fantastic. We're here to educate, and you're going to have a fantastic time. Come see us at MOI NYC.